Rise and shine, now you're like nobody else. Go on and smile, it's good to be yourself. Feel the party rising in your skin. It's time, you know, to begin again. Let's turn it up and let the music play. 'Cause honey, it's a brand new day. I know it's gonna be okay. 'Cause honey, it's a brand new day. It's no wonder when all eyes turn your way. You've come so far since all those yesterdays. Now you
My beautiful sister naman at sa kanya nag-iisang ate. Congratulations! Finally, magiging Mrs. Pearl ka na!
let's turn it up and let the music play. 'Cause honey, it's a brand new day. I know it's gonna be okay. 'Cause honey, it's a brand new day. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day.
Probably ito na yung pinakamasayang nangyari sa buhay ko. Kasi parang matagal ko din siyang inintay.
Siyempre yung, eto na to eh, is, ito na yung, the wait is over. I'm very thankful to Papa God kasi binigay ka niya sa akin. You are the unexpected gift. Sobrang bilis ng love story pero yun yung pinagkaloob ng Diyos sa atin. The man that I dreamed and prayed for.
Got all started my side. Caught a glimpse of the first light. Felt the air.
Papunta ka na sa buhay na malayo sa amin. Sana maging masaya ka.
Alam kong ready ka na. Kung saan ka masaya, masaya din kami.
Thank you, Mama.
I love you.
I love you.
Love one another as I have loved you. That is the standard of a married life. That is the standard of loving each other. Getting married is nothing less than dying to oneself for the sake of my wife. It is dying to myself for the sake of my husband.
Mahal, nung una tayong ma-introduce sa isa't isa, there were no expectation. It was casual. Pero nang makilala kita, yung tunay mong pagkatao, nasabi ko sa sarili ko, she was special. And from that moment, alam ko na ikaw na ang gusto kong makasama habang buhay.
See the world through different eyes.
Pag nakita kita mamayakin, gusto kong maramdaman mo na sobrang mahal kita.
Hindi ko man siya kasama physically ngayon, alam ko na nakatingin siya sa akin ngayon. At alam ko na mamaya, kasama ko siya maglakad.
Seasons fall in the right time. Gather thoughts on a winter night.
Ito na ang araw, simula ng ating pagmamahalan ng panghabang buhay. Hingang malalim, dahil this is it. Ito na ang ligayang dasal natin. As I walk bound to you, I promise that I'll be with you forever. Hindi ka na mag-iisa, at sa bawat magiging hakbang ko patungo sa'yo, ay pangako kong kasama mo na ako hanggang dulo.
And it changes everything. It changes everything.
Maraming salamat sa more than 1 year na relationship natin. Matatapos na ito mamaya and finally, mag-uumpisa na tayo ng buhay nating dalawa bilang isa, bilang pamilya.
Kasi pinangarap ko talaga at ipinalangan ko sa Diyos na yung unang magiging boyfriend ko, siya na rin yung magiging asawa ko at makakasama ko habang buhay. And second yun. Yes. Mahal kita, sobra pa sa sobra. Ikaw ang aking sigurado sa lahat ng aking siguro. Ang patunay na wagas na pag-ibig ni Lord sa atin dahil maya-maya lang ay sabay na nating haharapin ang panibagong yugto ng ating buhay.
I see the different I see the world in different light. It changes everything.
Ikaw, ang ating pamilya, ang magiging priority ko. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you.
Mahal na mahal kita, Ken, aking una't huli.